Family Thunderdome. It's time for Supercars Meet 8, Season 9. We're at the business end of the season. We got 5 relevant hot cars here. 3 top 10s. Lanes 1 to 3, the 2 Venenos and the Sesto. Oh, we'll start off with the Veneno. He's won the last 2 meet championships. 3 all up for the season. 5 wins. Top 10 car. Currently sitting in first position. The Sesto. 2 wins and 4 seconds. So many seconds. He's sitting in 7th position. Purple Veneno, he's in 3rd. 3 wins. 2 seconds. Then we got the Senna. Oh, the Senna. A smidge out of the top 10 last year. He's currently smidge out on 11th still. 2 race wins. And the Super Trofeo. Wow, he bombed out last season. But he's back, baby. 4 wins this year. He's in 4th. This is great. 111 career wins between these 5 cars. Anyone is capable of winning. But the Veneno is so darn hot, I don't think anyone can touch him. Let's see how he goes. Good tight race, and it's ahead by a bumper and 4. Sesto's moving into first on the outside. Purple Venenos come up fast up the middle, but it's the Sesto. The Sesto is into the championship final.
Check it out.
The Gold Veneno's run ends at the hands of the Sesto. Quite surprising, really, because the Sesto could only manage 4th spot in last meet's championship race. He only beat the Super Trofeo. But this meet, he came out in the re-race and defeated them all. Oh, he's going up the ladder. Race 2. 63 career wins between these guys. We got 2 top 10 cars, the Viper and the Aventador J. Viper's got to be the favourite. 3 wins and a second, currently sitting in 6th position. The Aventador J will give him a run for his money. 1 win, but that was back in meet 2 and a couple of seconds. He's a bit down on form. He's currently sitting in 10th position. Who else we got here? Whoa, the F1 GTR. 1 win in a couple of seconds this year. Back in meet 6 was the win. But he's sitting in 13th spot. Well out of it. The other 2 guys, the rookie Mustang, well, his best was a 4th in meet 4. Other than that, he has come dead last in every race. He is sitting in the 25th position. And he will be relegated. The Lamborghini Huracan, 4 seconds, no wins, but he bottomed out last week. Got his worst performance, dead last. He's currently sitting in 14th spot. Well, 2-horse race between the Viper and the Aventador J. Maybe the McLaren might get in there and mix things up. Let's see. Good job of Aventador. The Viper's right-hand camera. He's past him in 4. Huracan's cruising up in lane 1. He'll take 2nd. But it's the Viper moving on to the championship race.
Check it out.
through. 4th championship race of the year. How will he go? Good run by the yellow Huracan, coming in for 2nd. But his run of seconds keeps going on. He's just got to break them for a win. Race 3. What have we got here? 3 rookies. Lanes 3 to 5. Wow. Not much there. The only car that's won and is in good form is the Viper SRT. 3 wins, currently sitting in 5th position. The only one that can hold a candle to him is the Esprit. He's a good intermediate. No wins this year, 3 seconds, the last 3 meets. Can he pull a bit of an upset and break through for his first win of the year against the Viper? Doubtful. And we got here the Vantage 177, Pininfarina, Batista. They're all beautiful cars, but 4ths and 5ths all down the line. The only one who's broke that trend is the 177. He jagged a 2nd in meet 5, and it seems to be a bit of a fluke. Well, this... Whoa, I can't see anyone beating the Viper. Having put the voodoo on him, let's see if I put the curse on him. Tight race, Vantage off, pace up the middle. Just released by a bumper, but the Viper's coming back hard on the outside. Viper's got him right at the death. Wow, that was a win by a 1/4 second. That was darn close. Beat out the Esprit in a tight one. It was so darn close. But he's in the championship race, and he is quicker than the 2 cars that preceded him. The 2 meets he's been in, he came 2nd. Once to the Veneno, Gold Veneno, and once to the Audi. So we know he's got some pace. And in meet 6, he beat out the Viper, who came 3rd, and beat out the Sesto in meet 1. So he is the favorite thus far. Who's going to join them? We got race 4. This looks like a good one. 3 top 10 cars, lanes 1 to 3. The Vantage, former 2-time grand champion, just the 1 win this season, but 5 seconds. That's got him in 8th position. The wrong end of the top 10 for him. He is the favourite though. Whoa, wait a second. The Jaguar in 2 is the favourite. He's got 2 wins and 2 seconds, currently sitting in 9th position. Wow, it's so tight between those 2. I'd put money either way, you know. And the poor old Elise, he is in 17th spot, bombing out. Wow, he got 2 seconds, meets 3 and 4. Other than that, 4ths and 5ths. The Shelby, the rookie, the first of 2 in this race. He has a win this season, so he's safe. But they both got wins. So they're both safe for another season. They can consolidate now. The Shelby won in meet 3. He got a 3rd in meet 2, about 4ths and 5ths, all other meets. And the Aventador, his win came in meet 5. And yep, you guessed it, 4ths and 5ths other than that. This is an interesting race. The 2 rookies could come from nowhere. They've done it before. And the Jag and the Vantage while top 10 cars, while they are in the top 10, they are struggling a little bit. Let's see.
Another tight race. Shelby leads onto the flat. Vantage cruise on the outside past the Jaguar. Past the Shelby. It's the Vantage with a good win over the Jaguar.
Check it out. Check it out.
Good win to the Vantage. He took care of the Jag with ease. Bit of an unknown factor though. He hasn't come up against the Dodge Viper SRT in any of the championship races, so this will be the first. Be interesting to see how they go. Race 5. What do we got? 34 career wins between these guys. We got 2 top 10 cars. The 177, of course, the grand champion up the middle. After a slow start in meet 1, he came out and ripped in, taking out meets 2 to 5, winning 4 straight. In the last 2 meets, all he could get was second in the preliminaries. I'm thinking he's a good chance here. He is the favorite. The 177. The 177 hasn't actually had a win this season. Or has? Yes, he has 1 win, meet 2, and a couple of seconds. Currently sitting in 13th spot, so he has come a little bit cold. Last 3 meets, he's got thirds. So a good start, and he's fizzling out. The Charger Drift. A win in meet 4, couple of seconds in the last 2 meets. So he is finding his form. The 2 rookies, the Supra and the Stingray, all 4ths and 5ths. 1 second to the Stingray, 1/3 to the Supra. Otherwise, 4ths and 5ths. Not having a good season. No wins. Looking like they're probably going to be relegated. All right, who gets the last spot in the championship race? My money's on the grand champion.
Leads the 177 onto the flat. Howdy's off pace. He's coming up fast though now. He blazes by. Oh, wow. Where did he come from? Oh, what a good win.
Check it out. Check it out.
The drought has broken for the Audi after 2 misses. He wins a good race. He's back in the championship race. And with 10 wins up, he joins the veteran class. So here's the championship race. We've got 103 career wins between these guys and 28 championships. The favorite is the Audi. 7 championships all up for this year. And he has beaten everybody in this race at least once, except for the Sesto. This is his first meeting against him this season. Well, if we look at the Vantage, it's just his second championship race. He has had 1 this year, and he came 3rd. So will he add to his 12 today? I don't think so. This is the one we're going to watch, the Dodge Viper SRT. He hasn't won a championship yet, but 2 seconds this year and a 4th. Oh, he came so close to dethroning the Audi. Let's see if he can do it today. And the convertible Dodge Viper, 4 championships to his name, 3rd, 4th, and 3rd this season. Ooh, can he challenge? And the Sesto, 5 championships to his name, a 5th and a 4th this season. This is a good little race. We've only got 1 bull. Can you believe that? 1 bull, the Sesto. Wow. And we got a special guest. Hello, Toby.
Hello.
You enjoy supercars?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So who do you think's going to win this one?
I'm going for Land 5, and congratulations for me and my daddy reaching 1,000 subscribers.
Yay! 1,000. We finally got there. Thanks, guys. All right. Who's going to win Meet 8?
Harry leads the advantage onto the flat. Sesto passes the Viper convertible on the outside. Harry's got a good lead now. Sesto moved into second, took it off the vantage. But it's the Audi. No come from behind there. He is the meat champ.